Here is a wonderful 2018 Toyota Tundra. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Now is the perfect time to start a fresh new chapter in your traveling life. Take a closer look at this vehicle. Its design and features represent an outstanding value. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, navigation system, power passenger seat, backup camera, 8-cylinder engine, fog lamps, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, power driver seat,